So yeah, I've got the big camera with me. Not because I think I'll be needing it, but because last time when I saw the owl and didn't have the camera ready, I almost missed it. So I'm bringing the camera just in case of. So I don't think I'll be needing it, I don't think I will be seeing anything. But in case of, I want to be as ready as possible. So yeah, I'll be heading to the hide and do some fix-ups. I had a little too much snow on the sides of the tent, so it got really cramped in there. So I want to make it a bit wider, but still secure it and make it so the tent makes as little noise as possible. I haven't been at the tent for a couple of days now, and yesterday it snowed just a little bit, but enough to cover some animal tracks, and around my car and where I've set camp I've seen a lot of footprints of animals. Maybe I can see if it's been any activities around the hide as well. Maybe it can give me a good idea if it's a good place to have that tent, or if I should have put it somewhere else. But yeah, we'll see in a bit. So yeah, at first glance I really can't see much of the activity around here. I think that I could have a better chance of spotting anything closer to my to my car, actually, because just 10 meters from my car I can see fresh tracks like every morning. So maybe I don't have to get out in the forest like this. Maybe I just should put a tent where I've parked my car. So I think actually I will take down the tent from here and search the area a little bit, see if I can find a place where it's maybe more activity, or I will take it closer to my car to camp. here is where I saw the owl, and I looked it up, and it's called an hawk owl. I think the full name may be northern hawk owl. It's set right over there. There are two little birds who comes and sitting for a brief moment in the tree here. And as I got the camera up, of course, they moved to another tree. But two little great tits. So I didn't really get any good shot of either of them, but it was fun to see. Some sign of life as I'm walking out here. So now I'm preparing. In the hide I'm using the tripod. Bring extra battery for me. And battery for cameras. Okay, so I think I'm ready to go. Just a bit small fixes it. Now it's a waiting game. So yeah, I've gotten out from the tent and I'm going back to my car, the big tent, to get some sleep. Because it's getting too dark, so won't be able to capture anything. And then we'll see if I can try again tomorrow and get any luckier. But today didn't result in anything. Heard a lot of birds from other side of the road, from where I'm standing. So I thought maybe I can get a shot of some bird from the other side here.